Now, very often in religion, we are so concerned about being faithful to the past that we've lost that sense of adventure, that sense that, like the prophet, we too have to forge something new. We all have to be heroes to one for ourselves. When people told the story of the hero, they were not telling it just because it was a nice, edifying story or because it made you proud of your ancestors, though it did all these things. It was the point about the myth of the hero was that it was telling you what you had to do to unleash your own heroic potential. We all have it in us to be heroic. We all have to take responsibility as we look around our society, our immediate community, our mosque, our neighborhood, our country, our city, and see what is amiss, just as the prophet did, blessed peace be upon him, on Mount Hira, worrying, concerned, and finding a solution, being brave enough to go out and find a new solution that will bring something of value to the community that needs it. Because this is a responsibility we have at this terrible juncture of history. In many ways, this is a terrible time, though it is also a time of great opportunity. This is why the world, how can we must be asking ourselves, as intently as the prophet himself did, peace be upon him, what can we do to make compassion that's so sorely needed in our time a force, a vibrant, dynamic force in our polarized world.